Where's your sister? You're still in a towel. You are late. Your school bus is here. Hurry up and get ready. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Mommy's going to pack lunch. You have to be downstairs, okay? Hurry! Briefcase in the car.
Oh, okay. How are you?
I'm good. Yeah. Breakfast?
Hey, no. I'm late. I have to run.
Okay.
So the laundry guy is going to come for the jackets in the basket.
What time?
Okay. I'm not sure. He didn't say. But you're not going anywhere now. You're around.
Yeah.
So he'll come when he's free. Okay? Hey.
Bye. Say bye to Daddy.
Alright, see you later. Alright.
Bye.
Alright.
Daddy. Bye, Daddy. It's just me and you at home now. My little man. today?
I wasn't that hungry, Mom.
What do you mean you weren't that hungry? So you ate this tiny piece since morning? What have I told you about eating your food? You have to finish all the food in your lunchbox.
I did my best, Mom.
I'm sorry, but your best was not good enough, young lady.
I ate all my chocolates.
But chocolates are not food, okay? You need to eat your food, or there will be no chocolates, okay? Don't you want to be big and strong?
I do.
Exactly. So eat your food, huh? Go and have a bath, quickly. Okay, Sonia. Look at this number here. I want you to focus on this number. What number do you think comes exactly after this? No, Annie. Let her answer. You answer the other one. I know you know it. Just think. What number do you think comes after this?
5.
Exactly. So write it down.
Hey girls! Oh! How are you? Hi. Yeah. Hey.
How are you? How's it?
Hiring that.
Let me run your bath.
Okay, cool. Okay, girls, come sit. Now you tell me how your day went. Anything fun happen?
In my class, I got a golden star from answering all the questions today.
Golden star! That's my star, girl.
It was very pretty and shining.
Okay, let's go see. But first, I got you guys something really nice. Okay. There you go. Okay, let's go see your star. Okay? Let's go.
Do you like your food?
Yeah, it's good. Just think it needs a little bit more salt.
Oh, I can work on that.
No, it's fine. I'll just eat it like that. What is it?
Nothing. Becca's Ashrebi is out. They are fixing the wedding for some time in August. And she said she was going to come and drop it tomorrow. The Ashrebi is a bit pricey. It's about 50k. And normally, I won't invest in something like this. But she's been there for us.
Normally, you invest in this. Like it's your money that you're investing.
You know what I mean. And she's been there for us. Remember how much she was when we were getting married?
Okay, I get it. You want me to waste 50,000 naira on Ashrebi for your friend you barely even see.
Why would you talk like that now? You know I've been very busy since we had Winston. I don't have any time. And she travels a lot. We see each other at church.
I don't think I can spend that on someone I barely know.
But you'll be spending that on me.
Look, are you going to allow me to eat this food? Or you're going to spend this entire time demanding for money you didn't work for?
Ralph, you know I'm not demanding. 50k means nothing to you.
Why are we doing this? Why are we having this conversation? It's not like you're going to attend the wedding.
And why would I not attend my best friend's wedding?
If you attend the wedding, who's going to look after the kids? Can I have it? Thank you. This is a remote, it's not a toy. So there's no need to play with it in the first place. Go to your rooms.
No, that's mine! Give it back!
Come on, hey! Okay, learn to share, okay? And give it to your sister, learn to share. Go to your rooms. Hello, where the hell are you?
I'm still at the market. The prices of everything have gone up. I'm going from store to store, bargaining like a maniac. Babe, I'm spending way beyond.
Wait, that's not the reason I called you. I told you to take the keys to the market and now you left them at home for me. Now they're turning the whole house upside down. I can't focus on the work I have to do. They're screaming the house down.
Okay, calm down. Give them the cartoon they like.
How about you come home and manage the kids, huh?
Ralph, I've not gotten anything. The prices in the market are too high. I'm trying to get a fair deal.
You will do as I tell you. Okay, I'm not going to repeat myself. Come back home and handle the kids. Period. Hey! What's going on? Hey! Okay, that's enough.
Abba, Father, we thank you for a glorious day. We thank you for guiding and protecting us. And we pray that as we go to bed tonight, you shall wake us up to a glorious morning tomorrow. Amen.
Amen.
Good night, my darlings. It's time for bed.
Good night, Mom.
Hey, babe. What are you doing?
Okay.
We haven't been around for a while. I'm so busy.
Hey. What are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm kissing my husband.
Maybe as you can see, I'm working, okay? I'm preparing the office's monthly budget and I can't make a mistake.
Okay. Oh, I feel I'm so busy now.
Hey, come on. If I didn't have anything to do, I'd be sleeping. I need to focus. When does the meeting start? No, I can't make that.
Okay. Oh my God! How are you? It's been ages. When did you get into town?
Last year,
Okay, you've been in this town for a year and you didn't reach out to me.
2 years to the New Year's Day, and then I lost your contact. You know, on social media.
Hey.
I've been searching for you.
Oh my God, Ralph, come. Okay, this is my husband, Ralph. Ralph, this is Ogie I used to talk about when we started dating.
No,
Don't
I
you remember?
No.
Ogie, the one that went overseas. This is my husband.
Hi, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you,
Okay, let me give you my number.
Definitely.
I'll give you mine instead.
Okay.
Okay, you. Oh my gosh.
My God.
Okay, please call me, okay?
I will. I
Oh,
promise.
so lovely to
I
see you, darling.
promise. I'm so happy.
All right,
All
take
right,
care.
bye-bye.
What's that? What's funny?
I'm just chatting with Ogie. She's so hilarious. She hasn't changed one bit. Wow.
Who is she again?
Okay, now that my friend I was telling you about.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we've been friends since high school. She was even supposed to be my bridesmaid, but she got her papers and had to leave before.
Abroad?
Yes, she did.
Where did she go?
I think she went to Greece and then moved to Italy.
Well, you know what they say about people that go to those kind of countries. They go there mainly for prostitution.
Excuse me?
It's true. Especially when they tell you that they're going there for studies.
No, Ralph, you have to stop there because Ogie is one of the good ones. Growing up, I was told to emulate her every move. She got her papers, she got a scholarship. I saw those papers.
Okay.
The laundry guy came to get your jackets today.
Yeah, he called.
Something strange happened when I was getting your jackets ready for him.
Strange.
Yeah.
What?
This.
What's the meaning of this?
I should ask you. You never gifted me this necklace, and here's the receipt. So who is it for?
John.
John.
Yeah, remember him? The guy in my office. He bought it for his wife on credit. I don't know why he does that, but yeah. And then the necklace woman came to the office with the receipt and he wasn't around, so I just kept it for him. But thanks, I'll give it to him tomorrow. What were you thinking?
Nothing. I just wanted to ask.
This man. Aren't you supposed to be at the office? Yes, now. So why are you asking me for a picture of what I'm wearing? You want to see? What do you want to see? Wait, if I sent you what you want to see, can you handle it? Baby, you know you're naughty, Sha. How can you be saying all of this in the office? What if somebody hears you? Are you sure? Look, I don't dare me. You know I'm naughty too. Yeah. You did just say that. I miss you too. I do, baby. No, I haven't eaten. I'm actually waiting for you to come eat me up or something. Alright. I'll talk to you soon, okay? I love you. Yeah. Bye. No, you cut the call. Baby, cut the call now. Okay. Mwah! I'm in love.
Did you just say the L word?
Well, let's just say that I met someone.
You met somebody or you are in love with somebody?
It could be love.
So now, no. You need to give me every juicy details. His name, where he's from, where he lives, his father, his mother,
down.
where he works, his best friend, what he
Wait! How many things are you asking me at a time?
Everything. I need to hear every detail. Where did you guys meet?
Okay. Here goes nothing. So, I went to the mall the other day to get groceries, and there was this fine ass guy staring at me like, babe, this guy practically undressed me with his eyes. He kept looking and looking, and in my head I'm like, guy, like, you look good. Walk up to me and say something instead of just standing somewhere and looking at me. I was so uncomfortable.
Have you seen you? Why won't he stare?
Oh, please. Stop it. I like it. Anyways, so when I was done from the mall, I went to the elevator, to go downstairs, and boom, he came in.
Him?
Mystery man. He came in and the staring continued. And then he was bold enough to ask for my number, which I did give him. And he called, we've been talking from time to time, chatting, texting, and I think I may have said yes to him.
So when am I going to meet this man? I need to meet him. I'm happy you finally met someone. So when am I going to meet him?
About that, we're actually having lunch tomorrow, so you can come if you want to.
Okay, but you know I'm going to ask him everything I need to know. I need to don't. I need to know who my sweet cousin is dating so that I can go and beat him if he messes
Don't go
up.
and embarrass this guy,
No, I
please.
won't
Oh,
embarrass him.
don't
I'll be
embarrass. I'm
nice.
still, we're still very fresh, and everything needs to be fresh.
I
and
still have to scrutinize him and know that he's good enough for my sweet cousin.
Don't go and ask the one that I did not tell you, because I'm gonna spoil my chances. So. This guy is fine. If you see his eyes, oh my God, he has this piercing eyes. You know, like these white guys, these piercing inside eyes. Then he has this very fine set of teeth. My God, his lips.
Have you guys kissed?
His lips are so soft.
Have you guys kissed?
His lips are so soft and succulent, and he's tall, and the way he holds me, the way he cares.
I'm happy for you, girl.
And it's It's just been a few days, but he's already sent me.
I hope this lasts.
I hope so too. Can't wait for you to meet him.
Same here.
But please, you know, say your eye they chook.
So, babe, I think I'll just order the chicken soup.
Oh, please. I brought you here to order some real food. Stop being modest.
I'm not being modest. I'm just trying to whet my appetite before this your mysterious guy comes. Because he said he was like 30 minutes away and it's been forever. So, are you sure he knows what he's saying?
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with Raf. I'm sure that it's work that is keeping him. That's why he's running late. You know what? Let me just call him. Baby, what's up now? We've been waiting for you. 30 minutes ago, I called and you said you were almost here, and we're still waiting. Look, I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I want to order something. Oh, really? Okay. Do you want me to order anything for you? Alright, see you soon. He's here.
So wait, let me get something straight. Like, this is it for you. Like, he's the one.
I honestly don't know.
I'm asking because you know you have never introduced me to any of your guys. So I wonder why this one.
Let's just say this one is different. You know, he's so charming and responsible. He treats me so good. He practically worships the ground I walk on.
Really?
I know that it's just been a few weeks that I've known him, but I feel the strong connection between us. I feel like he's the one for me.
Okay, someone is in love.
I'm serious, girl. Like, since I started dating, this guy is the best guy I've been with so far. Hey, baby. Oh, my darling. You late come out. Okay, darling. Meet the love of my life. My Prince Charming. My baby boy. Ralph.
Hi.
Hi.
Baby, this is my very good friend Ogi. Actually, my cousin. As you can see, the beauty runs in the family.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
We're so hungry, baby. Sit. Let's eat. Yeah, we've been waiting for you since. Waiter! Is everything all right?
Yeah. Everything is fine.
You don't look yourself.
I'm good. I'm good. You? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Nice.
Babe, do you want to come in?
No, I have a meeting I have to go for. Meanwhile, your friend, how long is she staying?
Speaking of my friend, What's up with you and her?
How do you mean?
The silence in the car was deafening. Plus, Oge is usually very fun to be with, but she was so distant and cold with you.
I don't know, you should be talking to her. Maybe she has a lot on her mind.
Then why are you running away?
I told you now, I have a meeting. Yeah, it's a 10 million naira deal. Except you're going to compensate me for it if I stay.
So, you're saying that you prefer money to...
Babe, relax. If you let me go, I give you 10%. Girl.
20% or nothing.
Try. Okay. All right, let me go. See you later.
See you, baby.
All right.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome home, honey. How was your day?
It was good.
The kids are upstairs asleep. I made some dinner.
Yeah? I'm not hungry.
But I made some food.
I want something else.
Okay. I made dinner. Okay. Hey! Oh, it's so lovely to see you.
Same
Thanks
here.
for coming.
How are you?
Sit down. What can I offer you?
You should do.
Okay.
No! Look, give it back! I want this one! No! Give it back! No!
That is enough. Share. Can't you see mommy has a guest? Okay, everybody upstairs right now.
Very good, thank you.
Oh, okay, you look lovely.
You too, you look well. Wow, motherhood looks good on you. And you're making it look so effortless.
Oh, thank you so much, dear.
I see it's not easy with kids. Do you have a nanny?
No, I don't.
Why not? You can afford it.
My husband never agreed to it. He doesn't want his kids being influenced by strange habits, and I agree with him.
So do you do all the work alone?
Yes, I do. And I love my life.
I see. So, motherhood is a 2-for-7 thing. So when do you actually have time to unwind? Let your hair down, just pamper yourself, you know?
I do unwind from time to time. You know, you should have seen me when the twins were younger. I was running up and down this house.
Well, you're doing a good job. Keep it up.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy to see you, though.
Same here. You look so lovely.
Look at who's talking. You don't even know you have 3 kids. Like, oh God, your place is nice.
Thank you. I'm so happy you could come by.
I'm glad to. We should do this more often.
We should.
All right,
should.
darling.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.
Hi.
Welcome, honey.
Hey, I didn't know we were expecting guests.
That's okay. Remember her from the supermarket?
So what, you guys are BFFs now? What did she want?
We've always been really close, you know. So she was
see.
traveling, so she came to pay her visits and catch up for lost time.
I see. That's all she came to do?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, hope you made dinner shower and you didn't get carried away with your friend's visit.
No, there's stew in the house. I made some.
Okay.
And the kids.
Hoity-toity. Where you headed to?
So, my baby and I have planned a fun night together. Do you want to come?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Okay.
You know he's married.
What?
Ralph, he is a married man.
Gossips everywhere. Who told you that?
Doesn't matter. Oh, you already knew.
Babe, no man is perfect.
He is a married man with a wife and 3 children.
And I'm not trying to end his marriage. Okay, Ralph loves me. He's good to me. We have so much fun together. You can't even begin to imagine. Look, that's all that counts.
He's good to me.
He's crying. Hey, baby. Oh, okay, you see me now. He's here. Dera, okay?
Dera.
What? She's friends with your wife. No wonder she was trying to advise me earlier. And you, why didn't you tell me when you first saw her?
I'm telling you now.
You know what I meant. I mean, you had this awkward introduction and I just knew something was up.
I don't know. I thought she was just a random old-time friend. I wasn't expecting to see her at yours. What if she tells Elma?
Oh, please. She wouldn't dare. Hoagie and I are practically sisters. And I don't think she wants to lose our relationship over a long-lost relationship with your wife. Come on. Wait. Are you scared?
I'm just worried.
Don't be worried, baby. You've got me. Diana, smile. Baby. I want ice cream.
Okay, let's get you some ice cream.
Hey, babe, I'm so sorry to keep you waiting.
That's okay. Are the kids asleep now?
Yes, they are.
I thought you wanted to take a shower.
I did. What?
You know, you're a very pretty lady, you know.
Okay, this is easy. I wear it because I have a little child.
I didn't say anything. All I'm saying is you should dress how you want to be addressed.
Okay, what does that mean?
Anyway, babe, the last time I checked, you had a big company and you had so much dreams and aspirations. What happened?
I'm living my dream. I am married to an amazing man and I have 3 beautiful children.
Marriage and motherhood is not the beginning and end to a woman's story. There's more to it, you know.
Well, I'm happy with my life, okay?
Well, I didn't say anything. So, what happened to the company?
So and so happened. We decided that it was best to shut it down at the time with the arrival of the twins and everything.
We?
Yes, we. My husband and I.
Let me get this straight. You think shutting down your own business was the best thing for you, or was it the grand plan of your darling husband?
Hey, babe.
Hey.
How are you? Sorry, I was gone for a bit.
Babe, that's your friend. There's something about her.
What about?
I don't know. My spirit doesn't just agree with her. There's something about her that just gives me pure bad vibes.
Who? Oge.
Yeah.
No, Oge is like the sweetest person.
I mean, maybe before, but now. I mean, is she married?
That doesn't mean she's a bad person.
I don't mean bad, but maybe wayward. I mean, why is she single at her age? Huh? Just something about her. She just gives bad influence.
Wayward, bad influence.
Yeah.
I know you don't mean that.
Babe, I mean every word.
Babe, I can assure you, once you get to know her, you will see that you are wrong. I can assure you that she is a wonderful person.
I can't do this. What?
You know he's married, right?
Who?
You know who?
Please, I beg, don't start. I'm not in the mood for this. I'm in the mood for this, your advice.
I'm not advising you, but just put yourself in the wife's condition.
Please now, I said I don't want to talk about it. Should I leave the room for you?
I'm not asking you to leave, but I'm not saying anything, but just consider
Babes, I don't want to talk about it now. I don't want this, your advice. I'm not in the mood. Please.
I'm not advising you, but you're hurting people with what you're doing.
It's obvious you want me to leave the room for you.
I didn't ask you to leave. I'm just telling you to be considerate. You know what you're doing, and it's hurting people. Put yourself in the wife's shoes.
Oh my God. That's it. That's my cue.
Aya, come back.
Oh, I could absolutely get used to this. Like the peace and quiet, no fussing and screaming and shouting.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So where are your little munchkins?
Oh, they're with my older sister.
Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
Please. Okay, thank you so much for making me do this.
You're welcome.
Oh, so relaxed. Hello? Hey babe, how are you? I'm at the spa. They are Janet's. They're spending the night there. I told you about my spa days with Oge. Babe, I put a plate for you in the fridge. I'm in the middle of the massage. I'm tired. I don't want to ruin the process. I'll call you back. Bye. Please put a little pressure on my legs. I'm so tense. Once again, thank you so much for today.
No, thank you.
Every time I hang out with you, I have such a good time.
Oh,
Please,
now
we have
I'm
to do this
blushing.
again.
What?
That car looks like my husband's car.
No, it's my neighbor. It's my neighbor's car. Your husband and my neighbor, I think they have the same brand. It's my neighbor's car. Yeah, they have the same brand.
Okay,
Babe, I have to go now.
that's okay. Thank you so much. I had such a wonderful
Thank
time.
you, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Safe, okay?
I will.
When you get home.
Of course. Oh my God, babe! I've been calling your phone. It was switched off. Where have you been?
Oh, you went out, so I decided to do the same.
What?
What's funny? You think I'm a fool you can just abandon at home and go around doing God knows what with your new friend?
I can't believe you're saying this. I can't believe you're talking like this. This is the first time that I've ever had alone time. And you knew I was going out with Ogie.
Well, I didn't know your me time was going to be today. I came back home early to have a good time with my family and boom, they were nowhere to be found.
Have you at least eaten? Babe, I'm sorry now. This me time I took is because I've been so busy lately.
Says who?
Says my body, my mind. I'm exhausted. I didn't mean to offend you, please.
Well, it was kind of weird coming home to an empty house. Picking up a cold plate, really? And then where are my kids? Off to your sisters. When was I going to be informed about this?
I couldn't take them to the spa. It would be absurd now. I promise I'll plan better. Next time, I promise.
Next time.
Yes, next time. Babe, there'll be next time. I feel very relaxed. Very, very relaxed. There will be a next time.
He's not taking my calls. He's not taking my calls.
What do you expect from him? He's a married man. This is a Saturday. He's with his wife and kids.
I don't care.
So he should leave his wife at home with his kids to be taking your call.
This
is a married man.
I'm not in the mood for this argument. I'm not. I can't be hearing this from you every time.
But this thing you're doing is not fair. She's my very good friend. You're my cousin. I know what you're doing with her husband. And do you know how guilty I feel? Do you?
Then tell her! Just leave me out of it, please.
Tell her. What if she comes after you? What do you want me to say?
Is she coming after you? Are you the one she's coming after? Please leave me now. You're stressing me. This guy's already stressing me enough and you're adding to it.
When you sell your soul to the devil, you really do not think about any other thing apart from yourself.
You see, I'm obviously not in the mood for this lecture you're trying to preach. As you can see, this man is putting me through enough already. Don't come and add to it.
This thing you're doing is not fair. It's really not fair. Imagine if you were the one, put yourself in her shoes. Would you take it? Would you take it?
He's still not picking.
He would not speak. He is married with his wife and kids. Get that into your head. Like, how is he even supposed to pick your call on a Saturday? Do you even think?
Babe, someone named D has been calling you. What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm good. Hello?
Hey, baby. Where are you?
Hey,
You said you would show up last night, but you didn't. What happened?
yeah, I had a meeting that ran late and I couldn't escape.
So you're coming over tonight?
I'm not sure. I have a really busy day and there's a lot on my plate. Plus, I have a meeting this evening with my boss and the board, so...
Ralph, what are you up to? Is meeting now a code name for your new babe? Then come over.
D, come on. Don't be like that.
Ralph, is she someone I know?
I can't.
Really? What's her real name? You know you can tell me. I just need you to be honest with me.
D, I'm at home with my wife. Okay, and I'm really busy. But as soon as my schedule opens up, you'll be the first to know, okay? I promise.
Lunch is served, honey.
Thanks, I'll be with you just now. Okay, so let me call you back. All right.
Time to eat.
What's going on? Where are you going?
I'm going for drinks, okay?
With who?
Okay.
Excuse me. I've told you before that this Oge friend of yours tingles me the wrong way, and yet you're cruising around town with her.
Ralph, you've not given me a reason. I've known Oge for ages. She has a good soul. You've not said anything.
Elma, I'm your husband. Okay, I should be able to tell you I have a problem with someone and you listen to me.
But Ralph, you're reaching. I am your wife. I'm not your prisoner or your child. I don't choose your friends. And you should do the same.
Oh, you want to choose my friends for me now, huh?
Ralph. What's good for the goose? Hi, okay. How are you, darling?
Hi.
You look so beautiful.
You're dressing.
What?
We're supposed to be hanging out, take pictures, make memories, and you're dressed like you're going to the mall.
What's wrong with my dressing? It's okay.
Is this the mall?
It's fine, please.
Let's order dough. Waiter!
Oh, this is lovely.
I told you you would love it. Food is really nice.
So how have you been?
I'm fine, my darling.
I'm well.
How's the husband and the kids?
Everyone is well, but you know, sometimes it's good to get out of the house.
We should do this more often.
Oh, we definitely should.
Waiter, where's the wine?
I thought you'd become eternally busy.
I missed you too.
Old.
Hey, honey. I thought you'd be home by now. Okay. Take care of yourself. All right.
Ah, Janet dear, you really saved me today. Thank you so much. When did you pick them up? Okay, an hour ago. It's not bad. I promise you I'll settle you, eh? Let me speak to them.
Hi, darling. How are you? Hope you've been good to your auntie. Hope you've not been stressing her. Really? And did you finish your food, you and Annie? That's good. Okay, darling. Can mommy call you back, please? All right. I love you.
Is this Oge's flat?
Yes, it is. Who are you? A friend?
Yes, I'm a friend of hers.
Oh, please come in. Have a seat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You have a guest.
Oh my god! What are you doing here?
Yeah.
Wow. You know, when we left the restaurant, I couldn't find my phone, so I was actually going to go back to the restaurant to look for my phone. I just... Oh!
You left it in my bag.
I don't know what's in my head these days. I seem to be all over the place. So, can I offer you something? Do you want to drink something or eat?
How long have you known?
Known what?
How long have you known that your cousin has been sleeping with my husband? I thought you were my friend.
Elma, I wanted to tell you.
But you didn't. If you were a good friend, you would have told me, and I thought you were a good friend. So what happens here? Did you set them up together? The three of you sit here and laugh behind my back?
No, I would never do anything like that.
Did you set them up? Did you set them up?
Why would I do that? I didn't do any of that. I didn't even know who she was dating. I just came back to Nigeria a few days ago and she offered me her home. And I didn't know who she was dating until a few days ago. This was after I already met you and your husband at the supermarket.
I can't believe you. Please, this is rubbish. I can't take it.
I tried to tell you.
No, you didn't. If you were a good friend, you would have given me a hint.
I even tried to talk to Dera to leave him that he's a married man. But what was I supposed to do?
I can't do this. This is too much for me. But you are not a good friend.
Elma, I am sorry, Elma. Try, what was I supposed to do?
I'm drowning. Never thought that you would make me cry. It seemed to always be a blue sky. It didn't
Where the hell are you
have a
coming from?
reason to stay, 'cause I wasn't good enough.
What kind of married woman comes back at 10 p.m.? No calls, no messages, nothing. You've been ignoring my calls all day. What the hell is wrong with you? Are you just going to stand there and look at me? Did something happen to your tongue? You're not going to respond. Okay, where are my kids? What the hell?
Hey sis. I'm good. How are you? How are the kids? I'm good. I'm good. I hope they are not stressing you. I hope you're well. Jane, you're such a godsend. Thank you so much. Half term is over today, so tomorrow I'll be there to get them. Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
I had a really hectic day. What's for dinner? What's going on? Why are you quiet? Why the silent treatment? Did you at least cook anything?
I think there's some tomatoes and stew ingredients in the fridge. I'm sure you can whip up something.
Whip something up.
Dad? I want French toast for breakfast.
I want cereal for
French
breakfast.
toast.
Cereal.
Wait, where's your mom?
I know.
Where is she? Why isn't she picking? What's this?
My darling husband, you really never understand the sacrifices I have made, even if you try to walk in my shoes. Don't try to look for me. I need space, a lot of space to clear my head. I left the kids in your care. Please, take care of them, especially baby Winston.
Wait! Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Girls! Girls! Girls, the boss is here. Girls?
I mean, it all makes sense now, you know. Why he hated Oge so much.
So you don't think Oge was in on it?
No, I don't think she was. I mean, she knew about it, but I don't think she encouraged it.
So why didn't she tell you?
That's what angers me. But at the same time, I'm thinking, am I overreacting, Janet? Should I just go back?
Why?
For my kids. Sonia and Annie are a handful. And if you put Winston...
Listen, Annie and Sonia are not even my kids and I can take care of them. Not to talk of their father, he'll be alright. Has he called you since you left?
But I haven't answered.
You should pick up his phone. Confront him. He broke your marital vows.
But what if he's not repentant?
There lies your answer.
Okay, let's go. Where are your shoes? What's going on? What are you doing with the brush in your mouth?
Because I'm still brushing my teeth.
Weren't you supposed to have finished brushing and then have a bath? Why are you undressed? Go and dress up. Yes, hello, Joan. Yes. What presentation? Oh my goodness. No. I completely forgot. No. Can you do something? Because I'm swarmed right now. Come on, Joan. No, Joan. Joan, you know me. You know my work. My wife isn't around right now and I'm stuck with the kids. Come on, please. Just... Okay, can you... No. Can you just start the presentation? When I get to the office, I'll finish it. Please. Thank you. What are you still doing there now? Come out! Can you get your sister out of there? There you go. It's your first day in crash. You excited? Mwah. Okay.
Raf, is he ready?
Almost. I just need 10 more minutes, please.
You need 2 more minutes. Because Mr. Donald and the partners are in the boardroom. And the presentation needs to be done now.
I know. Please. I just had a really hectic day.
What happened?
You don't understand.
Yeah, hello, sir. He's almost done, sir. I'm very sorry. Yeah, we'll be with you shortly. Thanks for your understanding, sir. Now I'm taking the heat for your indolence.
John, just chill. I'm done.
Please, can we go now?
Yeah. I'm done.
Like now. Oh.
I'm so happy. I got to speak to their teacher today, and she said they're doing so well. I even got to speak to them. I was so happy.
Oh, you miss them, don't you?
I miss them so much. I miss them every day. Sometimes I feel like I don't know if I made the right decision. I want to go back home sometimes.
You need space to clear your head. Have you picked his call yet?
No, I haven't. I'm still too upset.
I'm sure you're so happy talking to them.
So happy. And they were so excited. I miss them.
What is it?
Whatever happened today shouldn't repeat itself again, ever. Mr. Donald was pissed.
It's not my best work, I admit.
The worst he had ever seen, so he said.
Okay, I think he's overreacting.
Oh, please, don't say that. I totally agree with him 100%. I mean, our boss is angry. What is wrong with you? You know what? I deserve to know the truth. What is going on with you and your wife?
Elma left me.
What?
Yeah. I'm as surprised as you are.
Were you guys fighting?
No. She just woke up one morning and left me with the kids.
Your wife woke up one morning and left you with the kids with no pre-existing situation at home?
None that I know of. I mean, I woke up and she was gone. And she won't pick my calls. You know, she left me a voice note saying I shouldn't look for her, that she needed space.
Does she have a mental problem?
No.
Then you're lying.
What do you mean I'm lying? I'm not lying. I'm telling you what happened.
Ralph, I mean, I know your wife. She's calm, homely, and good. Are you cheating?
Really? I have a phone call. Can I answer it?
Really?
Hello? Yeah. Good afternoon. What? Not a problem. I'll be there. Sure. Bye. Still now, just sleep. What's the... Sorry. Winston, now I'm trying to focus here. Sorry. God, I can't concentrate when you're crying now. sleep. Wait!
Ralph? Ralph? What are you doing?
Just finishing the report on Dele's account.
No. It looks like you've been sleeping on duty. What's up? She's not back? Wow. Sorry about that. Mr. Donald would like to see you in his office.
Okay, sure.
And don't just text or call. She's your wife. You messed up. Go look for her. Freaking put the press release if you have to. Okay? And when you see her, beg. Beg with everything you have. If that marriage still means a lot to you. Okay? Sorry.
There you are. How was it? Tell me when well.
It went amazing. Better than I would have imagined. It wasn't even like an interview, it was like a conversation. Oh my god, I'm so happy. We discussed salary, everything.
You were talking about salary already. Did they give you the job?
Guess who's resuming work on Monday?
Shut up! Shut up!
Thank you so much, sis. I am so happy.
I'm so happy for you.
So happy after all these years. Like, I was even going to ask you, did
What?
you speak to the manager?
No!
Are you sure?
Jeez, you don't know how amazing you are. You're so incredible. Your brain is fire.
I can't wait. Monday.
Yeah, look,
I am
starting
so
to work.
excited. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Starting a job.
I know.
Oh
Back
my God.
after all these years,
I know.
I am so excited.
What can I do for you?
Hi, Jane. Good morning.
You heard me right. What can I do for you?
Look, Jane, I know she knows about my infidelity. I'm sorry.
Really?
Yes, Jane, come on. I made a mistake. Okay? And the kids, they miss their mom. Please don't punish them because of my mistake. They're innocent.
Okay. I will let Elma know whenever I see her. But for now, she's not here.
Jane, please.
Are you deaf? I said she's not here. Leave! Do you want me to call the security? Get out! He had the effort to actually come to my house. Like, really? Yes. No. I actually really don't think men understand these things. So they just think they can eat their cake and have it. No, I haven't told her yet. I was really literally very livid because, I mean, how do you treat a woman that way and then because, things are, you miss her now, you just think you can show up at my door. Please, can I see my wife? Like, what does he even really think he is? No, I didn't let him in. Yeah, I'll tell her. No, I can't make a decision for her. She might decide to go back to him. She might decide not to. I'm not in the best place to advise her. Whatever she wants to do, she will do, and I'll fully support her. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, when she comes back, I'll tell her. I barely see her these days, you know. Workaholic. Okay, great. No problem. How the kids though? Great, great. We got to Jojo for me. Yeah, we should definitely hang out. We should hang out. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'll just yeah, I'll check my schedule and then I'll let you know. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Men.
Dad, can I have ice cream? Chocolate ice cream.
No, my love, you can't have that until after dinner.
So where's dinner then?
Dinner will soon be ready. As soon as I'm done with your brother's food, you have dinner, okay?
I can't wait, I'm hungry.
Come on, girls. You have to be patient. Okay, dinner will soon be ready. Guess what we're having? Noodles!
Noodles again? I don't want noodles. I want jollof rice. Yes, jollof rice. Mom used to make us jollof rice when she's not around. Where's Mom?
Alright, girls. Listen to me. Your mom will soon be home. Okay, she loves you very much. When she comes back, you're going to have all the jollof you want. But tonight, we are having jollof noodles! Who wants jollof noodles? I do. Jollof noodles. Hey guys. Hey. How are you? How's school?
Fine.
Good. Okay. What's this? Someone do a birthday party?
No, Mom gave it to us.
Your mom. She came around? Oh, she told you not to tell me she came around. Okay, did she say when she's coming back?
We asked her.
And what did she say?
Soon. Very soon.
Alright, that's fine. So what do you guys want for lunch?
Pizza! Yay! Pizza!
Okay, pizza
And
it is.
ice cream. Strawberry ice cream.
Pizza and ice cream it is. Okay, but not after we pick Winston, okay?
Okay.
Then we get you your pizza and ice cream. Okay, watch your hands. Hey, Elma. I miss you. I miss your smile and I miss your presence here. I miss your smell. I know I hurt you, babe. I know. But I'm really sorry. Dera was a mistake, but it's over now. Okay, I'm done with that. I don't know what got over me, babe. Please forgive me. I love you.
Hey,
are you?
I'm great. So how was your first day at work?
Oh, it was great. You know, just getting used to the mode of operation. But today, I missed my kids. I missed them, and I feel like it might be time to go home.
I agree.
Yeah. Ralph sent me a voice note. And I know this sounds crazy, but he just seems so different. I feel like he has changed. There's something has changed about him.
I agree. He was here earlier.
He was?
And there's just something definitely different about him. I think you two should sit down and talk.
I think so too.
Marriage is a love union. You have to learn to love yourself. You cannot give what you don't have. And it's the love that you have in you that you will have to share. Do not let yourself go because of marriage. You're beautiful. Just look at that smile. You're intelligent. You should take on the world. Go out there, conquer. Be great.
I will. Thank you so much, sis.
I believe you. And I trust you. You've been avoiding me.
Dera.
What's up? Longest time. You know, I actually thought you fled town. Ralph, what's going on?
I can't do this anymore, Dera. I'm tired.
You're tired. Tired of what? Me?
No. I'm tired of being a fraud. My wife found out about us and she left me. I'm trying to get her back.
Wait. So, I'm collateral damage, right?
Dera. You knew I was married before we started this thing. Okay, it wasn't supposed to be forever. That was a vow I made to my wife. Okay, and I broke it. So now I'm trying to fix it. Come on. You have to understand. Please. I love Elma. Okay, and I'm trying to make things right with her. That can't happen with you in my life. I'm sorry. You have to leave.
Ralph, you want me to leave? Okay. I'll leave.
Good. Good. Good, Annie. Okay, what are you waiting for? Go on, what's this one? Look, I explained it to you. Look at the key here. 0 to 9, A to J. Okay, C, B plus E, F. What is C?
Dad, I don't understand it.
I explained it to you already. How many times do you want me to explain it to you? What is C? Look at it. What is C?
How are you, my dear? How was your day?
Hi.
Lovely. Where's Winston?
He's upstairs.
Guys, go upstairs. Elms, I messed up. Okay, I'm sorry. I should have known better.
You cheated on me. You treated me like filth. Like I meant nothing.
I know, Elma. I screwed up. Okay, I did, but I'm apologizing. This few days have been eye-opening for me. In my backbone. You're so selfless. And you've given so much to me and to this family, but I've taken it all for granted. I'm the selfish one. I am so self-centered that, forgive me. This whole house has been empty without you.
Are you still crying? Stop. Stop now. But you know this was bound to happen. And I'm happy it's happening now. Yeah, stop crying now. Okay, let me take you out. Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo.
I can't say no to that.
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry.
You told me to walk.
Sorry. Let's go. Chicken Alfredo. Let's go. Let's go. We're not talking.
What to say to him?
It's okay. Don't worry. You'll find your own man who would love and appreciate you for you, and who will be single just like you.
I loved him. I loved him so.
It's okay. Stand up. Let's go and dress up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Come and dress up. Chicken Alfredo. Then after it, I'll take you clubbing. Tequila shots. You know how we do it. We're gonna be tons. All bills on me. I'm paying. This doesn't come. It's like Christmas Day. I am paying. Oh yeah, stand up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look at you. You look stunning.
How are you? Thank you so much.
You look amazing. I was blown away when I got your call, so here I am.
Today was perfect because it's the only day I have off from work.
You work?
Yes, I do. 2 weeks in now, actually.
Okay. Babe.
Yeah.
About Dera.
Please. So Ralph and I, we spoke about it and he told me everything. And we're working on things.
That's brilliant.
Yeah. We decided to work on it and he knows he betrayed me. He knows he betrayed my trust and he's still willing to, and I am as well.
I'm happy for you. I'm totally happy.
What should I offer you enough about me? You want some wine, orange
Wine
juice?
should do.
White or red?
Anyone. Just bring the wine.
Mom, this rice is so delicious. Delicious.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Mom, I'm so happy you came back. I hope you never leave again.
I'll never leave, okay?
Oh, no. Okay.
So tell me, who babysat Wednesday when I was in?
Me! Both of us.
Are you sure?
It was me.
You sure?
But I'm not.